Man, cloud computing is the best. You just open up a web page and everything is done for you. Your data is managed for you. Your apps are updated for you. It is so great. Until it's not. The cloud isn't as magical as we were promised. The problem. There are 4 big problems with the cloud today. Number 1, it's not yours. The cloud just means your data is running on someone else's server, under their rules. They choose what's private, they choose whether that new UI update is ugly or whether to keep it, you don't. Number 2, everything is fragmented. Notes in one app, photos in another, 10 messaging apps. Your files? Who knows where they went? If you wanted to back up your digital life right now, could you hit one button and do it? Or would you need to log into 40 different accounts and wrestle with all these export tools, if they even have one? Number 3, it's expensive. Pretty much everyone has subscription fatigue at this point. If you want access to Spotify's giant MP3 library, well, that'll be $10 a month. Forever. They've got you right where they want you. And if it's not free, you know what that means. Number 4, you're being watched. If it's free, you are the product. Most apps are silently phoning home, tracking you, selling you, designing around your weaknesses. It's exhausting and creepy. So what's the alternative? The alternative is we take back tech. We run the apps that make our digital life work on our own hardware. That's what I'm building, the PageKey unit. The PageKey unit is a physical device made for self-hosting from day one. Private, local first, and ready to run your digital life your way. If you can't self-host a tool that you rely on, let us know, and we might be able to bridge that gap for you. This is all about you owning your tools again. Together we can change how people use technology for the better. Fight back against apathy, and don't just be a passive consumer. I'm building the first prototypes right now, so if this sounds like something you want, join the early waitlist at pagekey.io/unit. You'll get behind the scenes updates, early access, and a say in what the unit becomes. And if this resonates with you, share this video with a friend who might feel the same way. Until then, thanks for watching PageKey, and remember to take back tech.